If you're struggling to make money online, it's probably because you're doing this one thing wrong and it's costing you big time. What's up guys, Markus Naves back with another video in the Be The Reason series, where I share my journey in affiliate marketing so you can avoid the mistakes I made and finally start seeing success. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest reasons why most affiliate marketers fail and how you can fix it right now. When I first started affiliate marketing, I thought I was doing everything right. I was promoting products, posting links, and hoping people would just click and buy. But guess what? No one was buying. I kept spinning my wheels, wondering why my commissions weren't coming in. The truth? I was focusing on the wrong thing. I was chasing money instead of focusing on solving a problem for my audience. And that mindset kept me broke for way longer than I'd like to admit. Now here's what changed everything for me. I stopped thinking about affiliate marketing as a way to make money and started treating it like a business. Instead of just throwing links out there, hoping for the best, I started asking myself, how can I actually help people? That's when I realized that successful affiliate marketers don't just sell, they educate, they inspire, and they build trust with their audience. People don't buy from random links, they buy from people they trust. And trust is built through value. So I stopped randomly promoting every product I could find and started creating content around solving problems. I niched down. I found out what my audience was struggling with, and I created videos, posts, and emails that provided real value. The moment I did that, everything changed. I remember one day I made a simple video explaining how to use a tool I was promoting. Instead of just saying, hey, buy this tool, I walked people through how to use it, showed them why it was valuable, and explained how it could solve a real problem for them. And guess what? My commissions started to roll in. People started thanking me for helping them, and I realized this is what affiliate marketing is all about. So if you're stuck and not making any money, take a step back. Ask yourself, are you actually helping people, or are you just trying to make a quick buck? Because when you shift your focus to providing real value, the money follows. Hit that subscribe button, because in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create content that turns viewers into buyers. It's time to be the reason for your own success. I'll see you on the next one.